In a world where compact camper conversions must balance comfort, practicality, and adventure readiness, few builders manage to execute all three at a high level. Boho Camper Vans, based in Arizona, has built a strong reputation for doing exactly that, and their newest creation, the Red Rover, showcased just how refined a modern camper van can be. Based on the RAM ProMaster 3500 high-roof 159 EXT, this build transforms a standard cargo van into a fully functional rolling home designed for weekend explorers, long-distance travelers, and even full-time nomads. The Red Rover gets its name from its eye-catching bright red exterior, a bold finish that ensures the van stands out in any environment. Unlike many off-road-oriented builds, Boho keeps the outside clean and elegant. The only visible exterior additions are side windows for ventilation and visibility, running boards for easy entry, and a long Fiamma awning that instantly creates an outdoor living zone. This simplicity preserves the van's sleek aesthetic while still offering essential upgrades for comfort and usability. Step inside and you're welcomed into a warm, beautifully crafted interior designed with Boho's signature blend of natural materials and modern functionality. The cabinetry is Baltic birch laminate in a soft gray tone, complemented by butcher block surfaces, custom upholstery, and wood-clad walls and ceilings. Clever lighting, including LED strips and generous natural light from the windows, gives the space a bright and airy feel. The layout comfortably serves two full-time travelers but can transport four thanks to a removable double bench seat mounted behind the cab. When extra seating isn't needed, the bench can be taken out, restoring a fully open living space with flush floor covers. The front cabin flows naturally into the living area, heightened by a swivel passenger seat that transforms into part of the lounge when parked. The kitchen strikes an ideal balance of compactness and usability. It includes overhead and base cabinets, a butcher block countertop, an undermount Ruvati sink with a drop-in cover, and a Dometic NRX 115S fridge freezer. A large screened window above the counter improves airflow and gives cooks a clear view of their surroundings. A slim three-tiered pantry maximizes vertical storage without crowding the walkway. Toward the rear is a cozy seating nook with face-to-face bench seats and a slide-out table that tucks beneath the bed when not in use. This multi-purpose space works equally well for eating, playing games, working, or preparing meals. One of the bench bases even houses a slide-out compartment for a portable toilet, maintaining cleanliness and privacy without taking up extra room. The rear sleeping area is a standout feature. With the extra-long ProMaster platform, Boho installs a generous extended queen bed measuring 70 by 74 inches, complete with bump outs on both sides. A recessed shelf holds nighttime essentials, while overhead cabinets on the passenger side provide extra storage. Under the bed is a spacious garage area, perfect for gear, tools, luggage, or outdoor equipment. An FEICAO slide-out tray adds heavy-duty functionality for loading bikes, bins, or recovery equipment. To support extended off-grid living, Red Rover features a 400 amp-hour Battle-Born lithium system paired with 500 watts of rooftop solar. Victron components manage power distribution, including a 3,000-watt inverter, smart solar controller, and DC-DC charger. Climate comfort is ensured with hemp wool insulation, a MaxAir fan, a heating system, off-grid AC, and a 33-gallon fresh water tank with a 6-gallon hot water heater. Blending craftsmanship, comfort, and real independence, the Red Rover is more than a camper van. It's a thoughtfully designed mobile home, ready for trips of any length, offering travelers the freedom to explore with confidence and style.